In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jira ticket, work on a Jira issue, and navigate your way through Jira tasks effortlessly. Whether you're a beginner just getting started with Jira or someone looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through all the essential steps. Let's begin at the top of the Jira interface. First, look for a button or link labeled Create in the top navigation bar. This is your starting point for generating a new ticket. Once you click Create, you'll find yourself faced with a drop-down menu. Here, you'll need to select the appropriate project that this issue belongs to. This is crucial as choosing the correct project ensures your ticket will be visible and managed within the right context. Next, you'll need to define the kind of issue you're dealing with. This could be a bug, a task, a story, or any other type of issue that applies to your project. Making this choice from another drop-down will help categorize your ticket properly. Once you've chosen the issue type, you'll move on to the summary field. This is where you'll provide a concise title or description of your issue. Think of it as a headline that clearly reflects the essence of the problem or task at hand. Moving on to the description field, here is where you can get into more detail. Provide a thorough explanation of the issue and don't hesitate to add steps needed to reproduce it, attach relevant screenshots, or include any other attachments that could be helpful. The richer your description, the easier it will be for anyone reviewing the ticket to understand the context and necessary action steps. Depending on your project's configuration, you might encounter additional fields that you'll need to fill out. These could include the assignee, priority level, due date, labels, and more. Make sure to complete these fields carefully as they guide the workflow and the assignment of tasks to the right team members. Once everything is filled out, hit the Create button to finalize the process, and your Jira ticket will be created. Now that the ticket is set up, let's explore working with Jira issues. First up, assigning issues. It's important to allocate your issue to the right team member or group who can address it effectively. In the realm of collaboration, utilize the comment section to discuss the issue and provide updates as necessary. Communication is key in resolving any task efficiently. As the issue progresses, you'll need to transition it through the workflow, move it from stages like to do to in progress, and ultimately to done, reflecting the current status of the work. For larger tasks, consider subdividing them into smaller, manageable subtasks. This makes complex issues more approachable and easier to tackle. If you have linked issues, showing dependencies or relations between tasks is immensely helpful. It provides a holistic view of how tasks interconnect, ensuring a streamlined workflow. Lastly, there may be times when you'll need a duplicate of an issue. Cloning allows you to reuse the ticket within the same project without starting from scratch. By following these steps, you'll be managing your Jira tasks smoothly and efficiently in no time. Thanks for joining in, and happy ticketing!